We have just added the image block to our template. But now I want that there should be some text to the right hand side of this image. But this will not be possible if I will use the single image block. To add the text to the right hand side of this image, we have to use another block that is called image plus caption. So let us see how to add it. Let us drag and drop it to this side. First add an image. Follow the same process that we used earlier to add the image. Image is added. I want my text on the right hand side of the image. So make some alignment changes. From settings, make the image as left aligned and caption as right aligned. Perfect. Now we have to edit the text section. Go back to content and replace the content. Just to make it little bit bigger in size, change the text size. You may also change the text color from the given option. Fine. So we have successfully added the image plus caption in our template. Now let us add social media block. These blocks are used to leverage the mails in favor of your social media platforms. You can bring the traffic to your social media platforms by inserting them in the mail. To edit it, click on this icon. Settings are there. Give the respective link of your social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook and others. You may also give the link text that will appear along with the social icons. Enter the address of your website and a link text. If you want to add few more platforms, then add them from add another service like this one. Delete it by using the minus sign. From the style, you can change the background color of any field. Rest of the settings are self-explanatory. Just play around these settings. Next, we have very good option to change the style of the icon of social media. These options are available in the settings. You can display icon only, text only, or both icon and text. Similarly, you can align the icon left or right. Increase the width of the icons, and this is the layout of the icons. You can have solid or outline. Just select the best one. Save and close. We are back to our template. Lastly, we have the footer section. Here you can use various types of merge tags. We will talk about these tags in a while. Few settings are available under design as well, like page. There are bunch of settings. Just play around these settings. Similarly, we have other settings like pre-headed, header, body. Change the background color of the body. Similarly, footer. Change the background color. Just play around these settings. So our template is ready. Before we save it, let us preview it. There are two options to preview it. The first one is enter in preview mode, and the second one is send a test mail. First, let us enter in preview mode. This is our template that will be visible to our subscribers in their desktop when a mail will be sent to them. You can also check how it will be visible in the mobile phone. There is a third option as well called inbox preview. It will help you to see how your mail will be visible in different mail clients. However, to use this option, you have to sign up to the Litmus. There are different plans of Litmus. According to your business or website, you can select the plan. The second option is send a test mail. Let us use it. Enter the ID where you want to send a mail and press the send test. Our mail has been sent. Let us check it in the inbox. Wow, this mail is there. Let us open it. The template that we designed is there with all the blocks that we have added to our template. You can customize it further by going back to our template again. So our first template is ready. Finally, save and exit. Give the name to your template and save it. Yes, we have now one template, and if in the future you want to edit it, use this edit option. So this template is saved forever. In future, whenever I will design my email marketing campaign, I can use this template. But this was very simple template with the simple blocks. There are many other blocks in the Mail Chimp interface. So in the next video, I will discuss about those blocks.